Here we come to the elevator at 301 South Green Street in downtown Greensboro, North Carolina. It's a Southern with GAL fixtures. This beautiful cab, wow. B? I've actually seen this elevator several years ago when I was trying to look for the Biltmore Hotel, but I did not realize this was actually an old Southern elevator. Installed in 1987. 3? B? One's burned out on the indicator. Anyways, look in the mirror. Who do you see? Hi. What do you guys think of my shirt that says I'm only here to ride the elevator? Because that's something I like to wear and we're going up. This is a really nice cab. All right, we're gonna go ahead and exit. This thing's a little bit busy, but still got a good video. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.